Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a unit out of a 1970 Mustang Mach 1. This comes from Gordon in Alberta, Canada. Thank you so much, Gordon, for your international business. And Gordon has requested the modern internal FM conversion with Bluetooth, so we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. I'm going to turn the radio on. I have it set to the one strong AM station I receive in my area.
It opens the door to the kind of nuclear blast.
So there's our AM, and while we're on talk radio, let's demonstrate the balance and fader controls. Got our original left-right balance, all the way left,
do what you want because no one's going to stand up to us.
all the way right.
Incentive for an incredibly dangerous world.
Center
And the final thing,
just our virtual fader.
Because I think this is the part that actually people don't really make the connection in the
fader adjust.
Okay, fader adjust.
America,
so now this knob is adjusting our front rear fader.
Easily the highest in the world. People are saying China's catching up. That's
let
true
it time out.
Overall GDP.
Fader set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Of China and will be.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device. Of course, I don't do that on the video. Just make sure it goes into pairing mode, indicating that it's working properly. So let's go switch to FM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So we don't need this stuff anymore. Okay, off on.
Bodybuilder.
Okay, now we're on AM, or now we're on FM, and I have all 5 of the station presets set to stations in my area, so we can get through this quickly.
Okay,
that one drifted a bit.
I can be without you.
Okay, it's time to test the 8-track function. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Okay, we're at the end of a song here, so we'll just... Okay, we're at the end of a song here, too. Must be getting close to an automatic track change.
The moon is Alice, Alice is one. And as I hold you for fantasy, then let me set you straight. I don't hear a word you say. I go ape every time.
Okay, pull the tape out. And the radio comes back. So the only thing left to check is the dial-light, which you may not be able to see on camera. You can just barely see that soft blue glow flashing on and off in response to my command. So that's working as well. She's ready to go back. And so I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your ancient AM 8-track unit. We can add Bluetooth, USB, FM, aux input, HD radio, and who knows what else we can offer by the time you're ready to do some business. So thank you very much, Gordon, for your business all the way from Alberta, Canada. And thank you guys for watching, listening. My website and phone number are in the description below. Thanks, guys. See you next time.